Hi, welcome to NEET PG Insights. Today let's talk about structuring your NEET PG preparation. The key aspect of planning your studies till the day of the exam is to maintain a balance between learning new things and revising things that you've already learned. Let's see why this balance is important. The blue graph here represents someone who has spent a lot of time studying new material but failed to allocate enough time to revision. The orange graph is someone who has begun revising quite early in the preparation phase, thus compromising on time given to acquire new knowledge. The grey graph is the ideal preparation that we are aiming for. Now, if you look at the blue graph, you reach a very high number of correct questions initially, but later on, as you start to forget things that you had studied long ago, you end up where you started. In the over revised category, the number of questions that we're getting correct is maintained, but that peak is never attained that we're trying to get to. The ideal scenario is gradually reaching a peak number of correct questions and working to maintain it till the end of the exam. So this is the end goal. Let's assume we have 6 months to prepare for this exam. Now, the way I would have done it is the first half, which is the first 3 months, I would have spent most of my time acquiring new knowledge, either by watching lectures, watching YouTube videos. But the key takeaway from this part of the preparation is your notes. It's not compulsory to write your notes from scratch. In my case, for example, I found it very hard to write everything and maintain my notes. So I purchased Marrow Notes and just annotated them while watching the videos. The next 2 months approximately, I would spend revising these notes and familiarizing myself with them. Because the 1 month after that, I have to revise all 19 subjects in 30 days, which is a very tough task, especially considering if the last week or 10 days you would want to relax a little. So one thing that helped me a lot in the last month revision was my 20th notebook. So your notes for your 19 subjects and this 20th notebook. The 20th notebook consists of volatile topics of all 19 subjects. How to make one and how to use one, I'm going to create a separate video on that because that is something that helped me immensely in the last 1 month of my revision. So let me know in the comments section if there is anything particular that you would want help with or any specific issues that you're facing. Thank you so much, and we're hoping to see you in the next one.